Jaden?
Well, bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Might be cold. I'm knock on the door. Yeah, hold on, guys.